Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
Current conditions outside feature a dew point value coming in at 67 with an air temperature of 71. So it's a lot like it was yesterday morning. Not seeing a whole lot of change yet. But as we head into Saturday morning, you certainly will notice a big change in the weather. It's going to be gorgeous as we head into the weekend. We have right now a northeast wind coming in at about 6. You will probably notice that wind speed picking up a little bit as we head into the later half of the afternoon, particularly during the overnight. 69 degrees, Wauchula, Arcadia, Myakka, Parrish, Bradenton, Lakewood Ranch, 70 in Northport with 71s along the coast from Sarasota down through Inglewood, and a 73-degree reading at Longboat Key. Winds are generally out of the east today. That's visible by the direction of motion of these clouds coming at us from east to west, coming across the peninsula. We'll see a few of them. It's not going to be a cloudy day by any stretch of the imagination. It'll be a mostly sunny day. And in fact, that sunshine will help boost our temperatures up to, again, well above average values, coming in around 91 degrees or so. Had the last 2 days at 91 degrees, and there's no reason to think that today won't be similar. The only difference might be that if the winds pick up soon enough during the afternoon, we might be 89, 90 degrees as opposed to 91. But sensibly, you won't notice any difference, really. We have these winds that are coming out of the east, the high-pressure ridge sitting over the eastern seaboard, nosing down into the peninsula, into Gulf waters. And a couple of frontal boundaries back to the west. The second frontal boundary really has the cooler air back behind it. The first frontal boundary is going to kind of slow down. It's going to put on the brakes, maybe not want to come through. Then that second front will give it the nudge that's necessary to get it moving through our state as we head into Friday. The combination of these three features, this mass of showers that you see down here, which could eventually become Tropical Storm Otto, cause our winds to be brisk out of the east a little bit later on. Small craft advisories will be issued for the other coast because of increasing wind speeds. So for us, mostly sunny, mostly dry, warm again today, and maybe an isolated shower. That's about it. The showers tend to be dying out as they move across the peninsula, same as we saw yesterday morning. With a little daytime heating, though, supplying the atmosphere with a little bit more energy and a little bit more moisture from that daytime heating. We'll see a few of them work their way into Hardee and DeSoto counties around lunchtime hour, a little after. And some of them may actually make their way toward the coastline. Wind speeds, though, will be on the increase, as I mentioned, because of that reason of the multiple systems that are all kind of lining up. Watch these gusts forecast by our RPM computer model coming in gently this afternoon, but then picking up as we head into the overnight through tomorrow morning. And those wind speeds could eventually lead to some rip current problems over on the other coast. We have a northeast wind coming in at about 10 to 15, increasing to 15 during the overnight. Light chop for most of the day today, boaters. Nice day to be on the waters. Friday, the front moves through. We get a chance of overnight showers, then boom, everything changes Saturday and Sunday. Full sunshine, temperatures that'll struggle to hit the 80-degree mark, and nighttime lows in the, well, mid-60s at most, maybe even some lower 60s around.